Hey everybody, welcome back to the VMP Performance channel. I'm Justin. Now that we've got your attention, I want to address something that commonly comes up. Why VMP? Let me tell you something. I've been doing this for 24 years and I've built this company with a lot of different capabilities. We are first enthusiasts, racers, engineers, calibrators. This allows us a very unique perspective and a whole lot of capabilities. We have a 5-bay shop here. We have a chassis dyno. We can build you a 2024 Mustang from start to finish. And really, we can build you any Mustang, not just a 24, from start to finish. We are a one-stop shop for your older and your newer Mustang needs. Our resources here give us the ability to troubleshoot and calibrate and test and evaluate and help you achieve the results you want from your build. So with that, I want to talk more about the potential of the supercharger and the kits we're going to be offering. You've probably seen some of the dyno results online, anywhere from 900 to 1,000 rear wheel horsepower. The first thing you have to address when going above stage 2 power levels is fuel. You need to use a fuel pump booster like this VMP plug and play unit. This is actually included in stage 2 kits now when purchased from VMP, and it's also included in stage 3 kits. The difference in our stage 3 offering is a smaller pulley and this carbon fiber inlet tube. We are going to include both pulleys in our stage 3 kits because as you increase boost, you become very octane sensitive and you may not want to run the smaller pulley all the time. To get the biggest benefit out of this, you need something like butane or you need an ethanol blend. With our stage 4 kits, we're upping the ante even more and including this billet 120mm throttle body, as well as an even smaller pulley. Now, I want to tell you something about larger throttle bodies. This has the potential for 1,500 horsepower. Does everybody need 1,500 horsepower? No. Only run the larger throttle body if you truly intend to turn it up and pulley it down. More airflow only helps if you need it. The supercharger is incredibly capable. The inlet's already prepped for the 120mm throttle body. So those are our offerings above and beyond the standard stage 1 and stage 2. As I mentioned, fuel pump booster is now standard even in stage 2. Stage 3 adds the pulley, the carbon fiber tube, and stage 4 adds a 120mm throttle body. All of this is supported in the calibration, and once you add the booster, you can even run ethanol blends up to E30 for more octane and more oxygen content. Keep an eye out for some dyno results as we go through and install these stage 3 and stage 4 kits on our shop cars and our customer cars. With all of this, keep in mind VMP is uniquely positioned to help you achieve your build goals. Whether you can bring the vehicle to us in person and have us do everything from start to finish, from installing the kit, dynoing it, handing you a dyno sheet with the final result, or purchasing from our e-commerce site and having us ship you everything, whether it's in person or online, we are with you every step of the way through your build process. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time.